The DSK file type is usually a digital copy of an old floppy disk, often for Apple II or Borland software. You need an emulator to mount it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's set it up. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one DSK file, inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. The underlying technology places the DSK firmly in the disk image file collection. The creation process employed the general disk image syntax. The DSK file is a generic disk image file used by various emulators and older systems. It functions as a raw, sequential copy of a floppy disk or hard drive, used primarily for archiving legacy operating systems and data. The format is structural, simply containing a direct binary copy of data. When used for legacy systems like the Apple II, it requires the emulator to correctly interpret the file's binary structure as a bootable disk volume. The most widely recognized opener for DSK is unequivocally PowerISO from Power Software Limited. Windows cannot natively resolve the external dependencies of this proprietary file. Windows may identify the file as a disk image, but only specialized tools can open it. To circumvent the initial application error, right-click the DSK file and choose Open With. Prioritize PowerISO if available. If absent, choose another application. We are looking for a successful file association. If the DSK file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The highly specific nature of the DSK file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, identify the creator. Determine the system, e.g. ZX Spectrum, Amiga, and the corresponding emulator, e.g. Fuse, WinUAE. Next, load via emulator. Open the emulator program and use its file. Load disk image menu option to load the DSK file. Finally, use archive tool. If the file appears to be a compressed archive, use 7-zip to check the contents or rename the file to zip and extract it. If none of your programs succeeded, the DSK problem is structural. It requires software that reads the file directly. It's worth a try. I advise using the FileMagick Universal Viewer. It's the ultimate solution for dealing with the DSK format. Visit filemagick.com to get your copy. Confirm your success in the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides. Don't forget to check out the Universal Viewer.